Hey guys, welcome back to Flat Creek Outdoors. Today is delivery day for our new camper. Hopefully, the guy should be here like any minute. Sun is quickly going down. He said he was going to be late afternoon. It is nearly evening, so we'll wait and see. But I'll give you guys an overview once the camper gets here. I got the electric done today. I didn't film any of that because there's plenty of how to do 50 amp electric service videos on YouTube. I didn't feel I could make a video any better than the ones that were already out there, so I just got to work and I didn't bother dragging the camera around. We already have a 200 amp panel in the shed, so I just ran conduit under the shed. This is my little surge protector. The lights on there show that both circuits that go to this plug are functioning properly, so everything looks good. I got the little box out here for the plug. That's all hooked up. Everything is looking good. On this gravel pad, we had some heavy rain the other night and had a little bit of washout on the back corner. It was able, the gravel and the water was able to run right down into that corner and out underneath in the back. And I think I got it all plugged up now. We took the tractor over this again, just kind of grade it all out, fill in that hole in the back. And now we're just waiting for the camper to show up.
One eternity later.
I just got a phone call from the driver. He is not far away. And I still didn't tell him that he needs to drive through our gate. So I figured I'd come up here to the entrance and wave him on in and tell him where to go. Here it comes. Here comes our delivery. Big truck bringing it up the hill. A little bit of a grade there to deal with. Oh, he's getting out. Let's see. There it is. We are going to get this thing level. We already checked side to side and put a couple blocks under those tires. So now we're going to check front to back. We got a level on the floor. And this looks like the front of the trailer just needs to go down a bit. Hit it, Stace. I didn't remember my drill adapter for this.
Super.
There we go. That is our camper. That is a Transcend 297 QB. Sun is going down, so I'm not going to give you like a full walk around right now. I'll dedicate an entire video to giving you the ins and outs of the camper. We're going to hang out here tonight. We're not going to stay in it tonight. We're going to head home. But Stacy has some dinner. We're going to sit down. We're going to eat. You can see we got it all leveled. We got the power hooked up. Lights are on inside, and as soon as we cut the power on, the TV came on, so there must be strong enough signal through the antenna to get some local channels. We have Wi-Fi at the farm already, so we can plug into Disney Plus or Netflix or whatever we want to do there. And out here on this side, we've got the awning that we're probably not going to use tonight. Around the other side, it's got a big slide out, and that is where the sofa and the stove and the refrigerator, maybe? Let's go take a quick look. Oh, thanks for sweeping the steps, Caroline.
You're welcome.
Yeah, there we go. Now it's official. And there is your preview. So yeah, slide out has the couch and the refrigerator and the gas stove. And just off to the side from that is the sink. So that was your sneak peek. I'm not going to show you anymore. I'm going to save that for the next video. So exciting times for us. This is going to completely change the way that we're able to work out here on the farm. We're going to be able to spend a lot more time here getting things done and a lot less time driving back and forth to the house, which is going to be fantastic. So thanks for checking out the video today. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.